What's up guys, Jeff back here with another amazing video, and in this video it's pretty much a spoiler in the title, but I'm going to show you three browsers that are going to actually pay you for every search that you make. So real quick, if this is your first on my channel, please consider subscribing, leave a like and drop your questions in the comment section. So basically pretty much we are on the first browser already, and this is being powered by Microsoft. So every search you make, you're gonna get some points for making those searches, and you're gonna get you could set a goal for whatever gift card or sweepstakes you want to enter, and when you reach the amount of points needed to reach that goal, you could cash out whatever gift card you set. So over here, as you can see, I have a $5 Walmart gift card set, and when I reach 6,500 points, I could cash that out. So you could search on three different platforms over here: on your PC, on your phone, and on the Microsoft Edge app on your mobile phone or desktop. So you can make up to 200 searches per day on your mobile phone and 20 searches per day on the Microsoft Edge app on your PC or phone, and you can make up to 150 searches per day on your PC. And in order to actually let Microsoft or Bing recognize those points, you have to let Bing be your default search engine. So you have to set Bing as your default search engine on Safari for your iPhone, and you have to get the Microsoft Edge app and set Bing as your default search engine on Google Chrome or whatever browser you're actually using. So that is it for this, and you could have a lot of different rewards you guys want. As you can see, there's a Sephora gift card. You could set that as your goal. Regal Entertainment, Target, Walmart, NFL, Hulu. We have Hulu over here. This is Hulu, AMC Theaters, Burger King, and a whole lot of other gift cards. And you guys could also try your lucks at sweepstakes. So sweepstakes, you could try your luck at those, and if you win, you could get amazing prizes. You could also donate to different organizations: CC Year, donate to First, Code.org, WE, and a whole lot of others. So right now we're going to be going over to the second browser that's going to pay you to make searches, and that is going to be Cocoon. So this, I think it's a new one because this is the first time I'm actually hearing about this. And you could go over to cocoon.com to get this browser, or you could use the link in the description. So when you get this browser, all you have to do is sign up and enable monetization, so you get paid for every search that you make. So the more searches that you make, the more money you're obviously gonna get, and you need to have a PayPal account to actually cash out from this website. You can head over to your dashboard over here. I pretty much just started using this app. As usual, every time I start using an app, I want you guys to be the first to know, so you could get ahead start using the app also. So that is it for Cocoon. And the third one, I think they have a browser extension, but the third one, I have that installed on my phone. So I'm going to pull up my phone on the screen right now, and when I do that, I'm going to be back. Okay guys, I'm back, and right now my phone is popped up on the screen, and this is the app over here. I think you could get it both on iOS and on your Android phone. So basically this is like an app and a search and a browser. So as you can see, I could search the web over here. I could do that, and I could also, I'll try to get this back. I'm still trying to get familiar with how to actually use the app. So basically when you make your searches, this is the home screen. You could come read some news and actually get some points for doing that. You could search the web over here. You could come check out your notifications and people that start following you on this app, and you could come over here to check out your points. So immediately you download the app, you could complete some tasks and actually get up to that is 5,200 points over there, and you could try to get towards your goal or whatever you actually want to redeem with your points. I think this only pays out through Amazon gift cards, so when you get enough points, you could actually cash out through that. You could also invite your friends to get some points. So I'm going to leave my invite link, my invite code over here, 1GCCR, in the description. You can use that as a promo code over here. You can use that as a promo code to actually get 2,500 points. So I'm going to leave that in the comment section or description for you guys to earn some extra points. So pretty much that is it for the app, and we're going to head back over to Google Chrome right now to show you guys some extra info. So they also have a Chrome extension that is full dive. You guys could come check that out, but I'm not actually sure if you could earn some points on the Chrome extension. So this one is basically just to chat and tag people, your friends and family, and that is pretty much it. So right now I'm going to show you how many points you actually get for each search you make on Bing. So right now I have 3,763 points. I'm going to make a search and see how many points we're actually gonna get. So PICM, let me type that in real quick. So as you can see, it just increased to 3,783 points. So you get about 5 or 6 points for each search you make. I think it depends, but whatever. As usual, if this is your first on my channel, please consider subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next video. That should be about next week. It depends on how busy I am, but thank you guys for watching anyways. If you have any questions, leave that in the comment section. Congratulations to all the people that got a free month of Netflix. The subscription is currently over, and I'll start another subscription pretty soon. Depends. Thank you guys for watching. Peace and out.